Hello, students. Welcome to SAM classes. Today, we'll be talking about the most had extremely easiest of the answers, but yet we struggle for it. Okay, and in order to find an answer, and we don't believe on that. So the KCT most important Q&A. Okay, now what is this Q&A all for? Okay, it's not for me. First of all, it's only and only designed for you, your questions and my answers. So it's pretty simple. First, what I've seen most of the students call their parents when they call or with interaction with the students, sir, can I start now the preparation? Or can I start preparing from now onwards? If I be serious, I haven't prepared, okay, earlier, I haven't started anything, can I start now? Yes, definitely you can start. You almost right now still you are almost have 3 months, okay, and 3 months is more than enough to crack any kind of exam. There are examples where the students have cracked IITG in the advanced part in our times, okay, in 3 months. So you can definitely crack KCT. There is no such thing like you can't crack, but you have to be serious, you have to be honest, and you have to be very careful with your studies. So very important. If you really want, start it now. Don't delay that tomorrow morning I'll start, when I'll get up tomorrow and then I'll start. No, if you want to start now. Okay, done. So that is one thing. Coming to the second question, which is also very important for the students, I have not studied the first PU. Most of the students in their first PU, they don't study. We also, okay. So what happened? Second PU is just okay. We just started studying, and now I'm getting slowly a bit serious now. What to do, what not to do? Will I pursue KCT or not? Earlier, my whole aim was not clear, but now I'm a bit clear that I want to do or pursue KCT. I want to sit for the exam. So can I do well if I start? Yes, definitely. Just now I answered that you have ample amount of time. 3 months is more than enough. If you're hardworking, if you're sincere and you're honest, and every day you are doing your studies very properly. So done. What about the strategy and everything for the 3 months? We'll be uploading it very soon. So be with us, be with this channel. We'll be uploading it. Don't worry. Okay. Your guide, your mentor, your what do you say? As a mentor will always be there, as a guide will always be there, as a teacher will always be there. But students, the most important task is yours, not ours. Ours is just to guide, to show you the path, the walking path, to walk on that path. Okay, despite knowing that it is a difficult terrain, it is a difficult walk, you have to do that part. Okay, so if you are willing to do that, we are willing to do our part. Now we started a course on 25th of December, and a lot of students, they are studying on that. A lot of students, they inquired, sir, is it very late for us right now to start that course? No, students, you can start, you can enroll in that course also. Plus, there is a very good news for you all students, okay? And just for the request of you all students, we're starting a batch from the 1st of Feb. The most important thing, this batch will be only dedicated for KCT 2022. The batch will start in Feb, March, and April. Will be done with everything. 15th and 15 days of May will be just doing the revisions. Okay, weeklies will be what do you say? Videos will be coming weekly, thrice a week for maths and physics. So you don't have to worry. You will be having a proper schedule, proper plan. And if you want to enroll in this batch, do ping it on the WhatsApp group. Do ping it on the number which we have given to us. Go to our website www.onlinesamclasses.in. Do join, do enroll for the course, and the course fee is minimum. It's 1,999 for your maths and physics. We are only providing maths and physics, not the chemistry. Okay. Am I late to start? You're never late if you want to. Okay. There's always the start, the beginning of anything. If you want to start something, okay, don't think about whether I'm late. By thinking that, you're again making yourself more late. Again, you're making yourself more late. So the moment you have thought, you have taken a decision that, yeah, I want to do this, start it. It doesn't matter whether you're late or not, you just start it. Rest, you'll figure it out. Okay. Coming to the next question, maths and physics portions are not that strong. Okay, but what do you say? Tough. How can you score well in KCT in 3 months? See, our course, the way it is designed, it is giving you the exact content that is needed to crack the course, the exact PYQs, which came from 2014 to 2020 and 21. Okay, and the examples, the extra illustrations to solve the questions and to understand the concept in very detailed way. Okay, so that you can apply the KCT exam and score well. So that is the most important thing. We have given the curated list. Like, you don't have to go anywhere, don't have to follow any book. You just follow the course. You'll be able to crack each and everything. And if you see the chapters, the way it is designed, if I'll take you there, So we have the concept videos. Each concept video is like 30 to 45 minutes max. Okay. And all important chapters you can see somewhere around 3, 6, and here 7, 13, 14, 15 chapters important, very, very important ones. Okay. So 15, and if you take it 1 hour also, so that is 15 hours student. Okay. Coming to the PYQ series, you will have somewhere around similar to that. Okay. 15 hours, so 30 hours. Okay. Coming to the exemplar, again 30 hours. So 30, 15, 15, 15, 45 hours, and that is more than enough for you to score damn well in this exam. So don't worry. Okay. So if you see our concept video, if you see our concept video, now if you see our concept video, okay, so the concept video for all important chapters will be around 15 to 20 hours. Now the PYQ series will be around 20 to 30 hours student, and the exemplar will be around, what do you say, 20 hours. So including all this, the formula list and everything will be like form 5 hours. So how much we have? 30, 20, 50, 70, 75, almost 75 to 80 hours. That is equal to, if you study per day, 10 hours. So 8 days is more than enough to understand, to crack and everything. Okay. But that's a lot of pressure. You should not go by that method. That is for the extreme strategy. But you have ample amount of time. The only reason is not to show off. The only reason to show here is that you have time. So stop hiding from your excuses, okay? Stop hiding, making that this I have the excuse. Earlier I didn't study, so I didn't want it to, like I won't be able to. You can do it. Okay. I won't be able to crack now. There's nothing called you can't crack it now also. You have ample amount of time. You can do it now also. Only thing is that is stopping you is you yourself and your laziness. You don't want to take that step. You don't want to get up early every day and start studying. You don't want to face every day's challenges, every day one chapter, every day, what do you say, so many of questions. You don't want to face that, and that's why you're putting up an excuse, a lame one, that I'm late, I'm delayed, I don't know the concepts, I'm weak. If you're weak, work hard and make it strong. Who's stopping you? So if you really and dedicatedly want to work on your concepts to what do you say, to clear KCT in under 1000 rank, do enroll in the course. We're providing you the course at a very nominal fee, at a very minimum amount, 1999 for maths and physics, each and everything, detailed video, recorded live sessions, okay, for your doubts. So whatever difficulties you have, do share it with your friends also. And whatever difficulties you have, you can directly call on the helpline number which we have given to you. That is, or what is available 24 by 7. So you don't have any difficulty. So if you are really interested, really serious, do join the course. For joining the course, go to the website www.onlinesamclasses.in. Onlinesamclasses.in. Here you go, enroll in the course, send us a screenshot, and then we'll start. There's no need to delay, no need to put up any excuse. If you want to do it, we'll help you to get that. That's it. Jai Hind.